Welcome to Marco Tour's competitive Mogi Lounge. Here's how it works. After 8 players of similar skill gather, they choose from a solo or team event, with teams being randomized if necessary. And they then play 12 races, and depending on how many points you score as individuals or a team, MMR is distributed to the winners and losers. It's the new season, and my ultimate goal is to get to the Master Ring. I try to stream these events on my Twitch, so don't forget to follow that as well. Need any help on how to join events like these? Check in the description. Without further ado, I will see you guys at the racetrack.
Alright, tier A with Akusho. Yeah, it's alright. Okay. Oh, that was bad. That was terrible. Okay, nice. Bay. Oh my gosh. Dude, no. Okay, nice first division. Maybe I could have held that star a little bit longer. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry, you're crucial. Oh, I could have had Super MK, but of course I'm terrible at the game. Dude, I'm playing so bad. I can still line. Oh goodness gracious. Dude, this is gonna be a bad GP for me. Nice first again. I need to be put down. Make off first twice. Oh my god. That was smoothing that makes sense now. Boston media is actually not bad. Yeah. Dude, I'm so freaking online right now. Oh, what the heck? Okay, Akusho's lagging. This isn't easy, the whole deal. Dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Back is tight though. How? 1-5. No, that's fine. Dude, acoustic over 3 times. What? And I'm just sitting here with 9 points. Thank you. It's like, if you're in the bag, you might as well just... Trim my arms for free. Awesome. Just don't hit the Goomba. I think I just did. I'm just kidding. No. Oh, I almost did. Yeah, no. Oh, mama. Nice dodge, Akusha. I'm probably screwed here. Oh my gosh. Okay, 3-6 isn't terrible. Not horrible. Dude, I had to fight to get behind Blue Team so that I can actually think my cup without any problem because I got the coin. I'm classified. Was it first win? Yeah, maybe. But maybe not also. It's gone. Yes, drive. Oh my goodness, that's a red. Damn. You're hard first. They dodged in first. Unreal. Dude. Are you serious? Nice only spam. Wow. And I get double mosh. Nice. That was a bad reason there. Christian, I think you ruined my box. Yep, yeah you did. That's so bad. And Christian banged a banana. Oh, that was actually bad. Bay. Finally, you get a race with me. Phil, you dropped. Oh. And I have no respawn. Awesome. Nice. You somehow trim my red. And I'm getting ready for it. Oh my gosh. Oh my word, that should hit the arm. Oh my god! Wait, no, that's good. Are you serious, game? I'm screwed. Yeah. Dude, come on! Give me a freaking protection or something! That's not fair. Dude, come on, that ain't fair. Lilichi. No more. How did blue die? Oh my god. Never is? Okay, nice. Only one. Okay. I'm holding. Oh my goodness, that lag hit. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. That was bad. Okay, I still got second, so yeah. I should have hopped again, but still got second, so no worries. This is actually really close. Maybe I should have held that much for that uppercut, but yeah. That sucks. Oh my word! They almost pushed me. And I get absolutely nothing. What? Okay, 3-6. Honestly, that's not terrible. Okay. Is that 99? Yeah. I'll be honest, I'm not very good at that. Short somehow hit somebody other than myself. Ooh. Oh, I tried to go for the gut. Yeah, that was bad. Oh, I should not have used that. Oh, spare me, no. Oh, Kusha go first. How? Yeah, I definitely should not have used that room. I was not expecting Kusha to come with that. Okay, -8. I honestly thought that Kusha wouldn't get second, and they were gonna spam me with her head. That's what my initial thought was. I should have checked the position. Yeah, again, it's my fault. My own skill issue. I'm going right. And Kusha died. Never mind. Oh, okay. I got shroomed as well. No. go! My goodness. Oh my god! Why? Oh, yeah, there's no way I can avoid that bomb. Rip. Oh, we're only down 4? Or is there one left? If I would have gotten a star, that would have been so much better. But of course, I get double mush. That sucks. I'm going for 7 bucks, but that did not go well for me at all. Oh wow. Yeah. Huh? I gotta use. Oh, sorry, Fisher. Nice. That's a really good pull. If I can drive. Just go, okay. Three, 4? No, we didn't beat green. We got second though, so. Yay! 47 points. Alright, nice plus. It's all good. Would have been nice if we got more positions, but it's all gravy.